Hi, hope you're doing great today, having a wonderful time with your friends and family. It's always great to do a video and to connect with my followers, and I think about all of you. You're very varied group of people, and I'm so glad that I have a chance to do this new video, and it's about good old Donald Trump. You see him dancing there on the right. Well, what he's saying is, don't cry for me, Argentina. He has been hit with a over $350 million fine by Judge Engorian for his financial fraud. He's been told to get out of New York as far as doing businesses. His sons have been thrown out of New York for, I believe, just 2 years. And so what's up? Everyone's feeling sorry for him. He even has a GoFundMe done. I know he probably started it, and his family and so forth all probably started this GoFundMe, but they're trying to raise money for his fines. But he has more in mind. He has always planned to do more with Truth Social, and I think he's been spirited on by Elon Musk with his site X, and now Truth Social is going to merge. Trump Media and Technology Group, TMTG on the stock market, is going to merge with Digital World Acquisition Group. It's Digital World Acquisition Corporation. And they were given the go-ahead on about the 14th of February 2024. I think that was Tuesday. And so they are going to merge. And what is Digital World Acquisition Corp? That is a SPAC, a special purpose acquisition company. So what is that? I mean, all of these terms, they mean nothing to most people. A SPAC is what Digital World Acquisition Company is, and that's going to merge with Trump Media Corporation. And a SPAC is a company without any commercial activities or operations. It's formed strictly to raise money. And Trump had the SPAC done a long time ago. Let's see. And it does it through, it raises money through an initial public offering for the purpose of acquiring or merging with an existing company. In this case, it would be merging with Truth Social. Trump's SPAC was always meant to get Trump back in office, and so however you want to look at it, Truth Social is for Trump to get back in office, as is this merger with the Digital Acquisition Company. So Trump was one of the people that really introduced people to a SPAC. A SPAC is a special PAC. So it raises money. The money in the SPAC can be used by the SPAC in any way it wants. So whoever donates through buying stock or whatever, can the money will go to Trump. He can use it any way he wants, and he can use it for these fines that he's gotten in these court cases that he's lost, which found him to be a rapist and found him to be a felon for financial fraud in New York. So he can take that money and eliminate his debt. The more people that invest, of course, the stock price will go up. And there is a chance for some SPACs to really gain a lot of money. Oftentimes that money is transient, so it'll go up really, really high. You might see a SPAC price go up like 400%, but then it falls just as quickly, like in a day or two. And people come in, they take their money and go, and then of course you're left with a much lower valued stock. Let me see if I can get over here. So this is basically a money-raising venture, but it will be through the SEC. The money is put into a trust, and it starts out with a par value of about $10 a share. People who invest in SPACs are prominent private equity funds and celebrities. And in Trump's case, it would be political people who just support Trump. Various political people. They can be from anywhere. There is no investigation as to where this money is coming from. So Putin can put in, Chinese people, the Chinese industry can put in, because they have all of the manufacturing for Trump products, and Ivanka's products are all sold through China. So they can put in to support Trump through this SPAC, and that money can go directly to Trump for him to use however he wants. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, and so I'm not a whiz in SPACs. I might have something wrong, but I don't think so. I think this is pretty much how it works. And as I said, there is no other business operation done by this company that Trump is merging with. So Trump is going to get a big windfall. I think they're going to meet this month. I think maybe next week, and they are going to approve this merger. Trump owns most of Trump Media, and so the approval for the merger is certain, and then it will go through, and sometime later this month we will hear more about what's happening with this SPAC. Let me see here. I'm trying to do something. And one of the main advantages of a SPAC is that it's a faster way to get onto the it's a faster way to do the merger than going through a conventional IPO. So this saves them maybe about a year in doing this merger. They have been fighting with the federal government because there were a lot of accusations of unfair trading and people working with special knowledge about what were the future plans. So insider trading complaints and problems the federal government has been investigating, but they have given the go-ahead for this merger. So this is coming up, and we should see and hear more about this merger in the next week or so. So Trump stands to make possibly billions from this merger, and he will have more than enough to pay off all of his fines and plenty to continue with other legal cases and with his election activities and tours. So what do you think? Trump always rising and always able to sneak out through various federal investment schemes. So what do you think? Like and subscribe. Bye.